Flap your wings. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. There you go. She's exercising. Yeah, you good girl. Baby. I really baby her. Come on down. This is Rockabye Baby. Come on up.
Rockabye Baby for me?
Rockabye Baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. And down will come baby cradle. She's very lovable. She's just a big baby. Oh, she just loves all the attention and affection. Just like a puppy dog. Come on up. Up. There you go. Look at that. What a nice breeze, especially when it's hot. Yeah. Yes. You good girl. You good girl. She's 50 to 80 years. Give me 50 years. Now you see, we take her outside, but to make sure she don't fly away, her root feathers have been trimmed, so she can't get away. But she loves it here. She wouldn't want to go. Right? Right. You good girl. You shut up.
No, I'm good girl. I'm good girl.
Hello, little baby. Hello, little baby. What? Oh, you don't want to be like this? Oh, you know that. Oh, look at that baby. You're such a sweetie pie. Such a sweetie pie.
Mommy, look, Mommy.
Wait. Okay, we put you back because we want to get our little daughter Melissa.
I'm good girl.
Okay. First, let me get you the right way because you know I can't take you up that way. But she's pretty smart. Watch this. Watch this. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Samantha. Samantha. Come here. Come here. Come here. Maybe she's afraid of the camera. Come here.
You feel the camera. Smile.
Come here. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. There you go. Up. You want to come up? Up. Come on. She wants to go back. Up. There you go.
I good girl.
Okay. Cut.